How to disable WhatsApp without uninstalling it. Hey guys, do you want a break from WhatsApp without uninstalling it? In this video, I'll show you how to easily disable WhatsApp without uninstalling it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand this tutorial properly. First of all, you need to click on Settings. Then you need to scroll down and here you will see an option of General. Click on it. Then you need to scroll down again and then click on iPhone storage. Once you're on iPhone storage, you are going to scroll down until you see WhatsApp. Once you have found WhatsApp, click on it. Then you are going to tap on Offload app. And by offloading the app, this will not delete your data or anything. This will free up some space and it will disable the app. Once you disable the app, your WhatsApp will look like it will have a cloud below the icon with an arrow pointing down, and to reinstall the app and you will have to simply tap on the app and that will reinstall the app and you'll be able to use WhatsApp once again just like normal with all your data restored. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. So that wrap up this tutorial. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.